Hey guys, we have a Mitsubishi 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander. Hola muchachos, tenemos un 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander. Y the problem is that we were not getting light in the tail light. The brake light is working on the right side, but not the tail light or this bottom one. So the problem would be over here. I checked for power in the connector coming from the fuses. Chequé corriente del fusible si está bien. And the one that I saw that has power, el que tiene corriente es el blanco, is the white and black at the top. That one turns to orange. So that one is supposed to have power. Ese debe de tener corriente. Let me use my two hands to disconnect it. Okay, I got it disconnected. And we're going to check it with this tester. Vamos a probar con este probador. And if you know how to use this, you have to connect it to a good ground. I got it here on a bolt. Tienes que conectarlo a una buena tierra, aquí en un tornillo. Del otro lado, esta herramienta se mira así. Okay, this tool looks like this. And then we test out, we put it in each pin. Lo ponemos en cada pin y tiene que ponerse, alumbrar aquí. This has to light up where we have power. Nope. There we go. We're there. Ahí tenemos corriente. We have good power. So our problem is gonna be probably in the connectors. Let me put it back. Okay, I got it hooked up good. Now we have to follow the orange wire. Tenemos que seguir la anaranjada cable. Follow it. You can see it's on the right side. And you gotta touch the right side to see if we have power. And so do the same thing for this black one because it has the orange. Tenemos que probar corriente allí. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Let's see. Okay, so the orange would be on the right side. I'm touching it. And we're not getting anything. And I cannot do that with the orange on this side because the hole is very small. No puedo hacer la misma cosa con esta. But since there's not another orange, I'm guessing that the orange right here comes and over here somewhere splits and gives power to all three. Actually, they have to the black one and the white one. Okay guys, let me go turn off the light before the battery dies. Voy a apagar la batería antes de que se muera la pila. Okay. So we know that we have good power and we have ground. We could do continuity test. Vamos a seguir haciendo pruebas de continuidad, pero ya sabemos que el anaranjado está malo. We know that the orange is the power, so we're not getting any power. Let's see, we're gonna have to cut this open and see what the problem is, because I don't know if by pulling it or maybe a cut from here. I don't think it's a cut because it's before it gives power to both of them and they're not getting power. No están agarrando corriente, so va a estar por acá. So maybe this orange and this orange unite and get power from the orange coming out to the wire. Let's see if there's... Oh, look at that. It's very loose. Está muy flojo. It's not supposed to be this loose. Oh, look at that, guys. We found our culprit. Encontramos el culpable porque no están prendiendo estas focos. Now let's see if I can do that with the white one. So we're probably gonna have to cut the. Look at that. Okay. Then the fix would be to look at that. This is a problem. Okay. So we're gonna have to connect it back again. Open it up. Open a little bit until maybe probably here. And either tape it or ponerle tape cuando le abramos aquí. Or let's see what we can use to make it tight. I'm gonna pause the video so I can open it up. Voy a pausar el video para abrirle y enseñarles la reparación que se va a hacer. I'm gonna pause it and see what we can do. So far I cut about less than half. He cortado un poquito menos de la mitad y todavía no vemos los cables. We still don't see the cables. Just the red, yellow, and black. We're still missing the orange. Probably a little bit more higher. But I just wanted to show you guys how they just have one cable and it's taped up, one black cable, and it has 3 cables connected to it. 3 black cables that go to all 3 harnesses. This is not a good thing. This thing could come apart too and cause problems in the future too. Well, I'm gonna keep opening it until we get to the orange. Vamos a seguir abriendo hasta que busquemos el anaranjado. Dame un segundo. Well, look at what we found here. A little bit more digging and there's orange. Poquito más para adentro, quitando esto. Y ahí está el anaranjado. Mire qué sucio está. It's really dirty and full of this nasty green stuff. Let's see what we can do about it to connect these two together and connect it to the orange. Okay, so I opened them more. Lo abrí más. Aquí está el cable anaranjado. Aquí está el culpable de por qué no funcionan las luces. This is why the taillights aren't working. So now the repair would be to, if you have another wire around your house or in your garage or somewhere, you're gonna have to make a disconnection. Maybe cut this bad cable that you see. It's really nasty. Get some wire cutters and get some wire out of this and hook the new cable. If you have an orange one, or it really doesn't matter the color because we're gonna put tape around this whole thing, and that'll be a fix. I don't know how long this black cable are gonna last like that, but we'll see after fixing the orange to see if the bulbs work. Vamos a ver si funcionan los focos después de poner el anaranjado. El negro no se ve tan bien, pero vamos a ver cómo funciona después de esto. Y pueden poner cualquier color o el mismo que quieran, nomás quiten esta parte que se ve muy fea y pongan una nueva. I'm gonna go find a wire. Get some good wire cutters. Agarren unas buenas cortadoras y corten. Look, wow. Look, that looks a lot better. Se mira mucho mejor. And right here, we're gonna get the correct size and put it there and pull it. We're gonna do the same thing over here and over here. And maybe I have a wire. It's just gonna be a normal wire. And we're gonna hook it up, make it a little bit longer. Vamos a hacer un cable más largo para que esté mejor. Let me pause the video. Alright guys, so I used the third hole. Usé el tercero agujero. You just connect it there and pull the wire. and they're about that size. Be careful not to cut the wire. Con cuidado que no corten don't cut this. Just get the plastic thing. Look. And on the other side too, en el otro lado también. We're gonna test it out. Vamos a probarlo. Okay, so I got the bulb on. We're gonna put this together and put it over there. But first we have to turn on the switch. Vamos a prender el foco con el switch de la carro. Twice. Okay. It's not gonna turn on yet until you connect them both. Be careful not to touch ground with this, or you're gonna blow the fuse. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. There we go. Ta-da! We have light. Good. Excellent. We should test the other orange. The other orange that goes over here. Well, the other orange, that one goes into the LED. Okay, perfect. Perfecto. ¿Sí funcionó? Este no lo voy a probar. I'm not gonna try this one because you have to connect it to the housing, and I can't do that with two hands. I'm by myself. But yeah, you have to connect it to the LED. I think it's LED, and yeah, it should work. It should work. Perfect. We found our problem and we found the solution. We're gonna have to connect it. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys what comes after that. Voy a enseñar qué pasa después de eso. Alright guys, this is what I did. Esto es lo que hice. I grabbed the two wires coming from the connector and hooked them up to this. It doesn't have to be this thing I found in my drawer. No tiene que ser esto, puede ser tape. You can use good tape. And then I used the wire to extend the cable, the wire. Usé un cable para extenderlo y luego lo conecté from the power. Make sure it's like tight and put some good tape around there. Pongan tape al lado, alrededor. But you want to use electrical tape. Use some good electrical tape. And then put some around here so that doesn't come out. Just to be sure, put some around here if you want. Put some around here, tight, and then get close to everything, and put some tape around it, and it should be good. Let me test the other one. See if it works. Voy a probar los demás a ver si funcionan. Yo creo que sí. There it is, you guys. Ahí está, muchachos. Esto es lo que hice. This is what I did. I put a bit more wire to extend the wire. I put tape around here. I connected them together. Okay, everything's good. I tried it again. This one works. I put the housing back on. The bottom LED works, and this one is the turning signal, but that one doesn't have the orange. This one is working. Alright, it just has the ground, but we see that the ground is working. Alright guys, we have to, if you want to like get this bunch close and put some tape around it and put everything back together. Ok, nomás queremos juntar todo esto con tape. Tenemos buena tierra y meter esto para atrás. Put this back in and hook the connectors back to the housing. Another great idea would be to put zip ties around your work, around the bottom of the tape. Una buena idea sería poner estos zip ties abajo, one here, just to be on the safe side, and then don't have to do this job in years to come. You can do the same thing over here, but this one was pretty good. This one has the heavier side because of the two wires. And then you put one here, and you should be good. Ponlo allí y ya. Así queda el producto. This is how it came out. This side, that side. We're gonna put everything back together and we should be done. Vamos a meter todo para adentro. Y ya terminamos. Put this back in the black cover and put some tape around it and we should be done. We should be good. Just want to show you guys how the last product looks like. Quiero enseñar cómo se ve el producto terminado. This is tape all around it. Make sure it's nice and sealed. Start from here all the way over here, so no water or moisture gets in it. And should be good. It's working. Let's put it back together. Vamos a ponerlo para atrás. So push this back in. Let's grab it. Make sure it's in. Let's turn off the lights. Apagan las luces. And put the grommet back in. Y pongan esto para atrás. Let's connect it back up. Got it. Here's the one this side. Got it. It makes like this snapping noise. Push it in. Looks good. This thing was also here. This estaba aquí. Maybe for some protection. Mitsubishi put. Okay, we're going to put the housing back. Vamos a ponerla todo para atrás. Phillips screwdriver. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and try it. Turn on the lights. And here you go. Now they're working. Yay. Están trabajando para atrás. Mira. Las luces de atrás normal. Esto puede parar la policía si no están prendidas. The police can stop you if these aren't working. The brakes were working, but not those. And this one's working the same. Alright, that was a success. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Gracias por ver. Fue un éxito esto. Si les gusta, denle manita arriba. Si aprendieron algo, denle manita arriba. Si quieren ver más videos como este, denle manita arriba. Alright guys, that was it. Give it a like if you learned something. This car also has the ABS light. No, I mean the airbag on. And I found a cable. Let me turn this light on. There's a cable down here that's disconnected also. So next time maybe I can repair that. It's under the seat. Maybe next time I'll repair that. And the airbag light will probably turn off in the dash. Alright guys, that's it for today. This is a 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's really late right now. It's about 12 in the morning. But I wanted to finish it. And yeah, es un 2014. Y ya terminamos. Son las 12 de la noche. Pero success. Alright guys. See you guys later.